Vice President Constantino Chiwenga had a nasty confrontation with the Midlands Province Affairs Minister Owen Ncube, where he warned President Emmerson Mnangagwa's staunch loyalists to stop targeting him as the fallout over a controversial ZANU-PF plot to extend its leader's stay in power deepens. Sandabina mashoko atiri kuona kuti aiwa panapa VP Constantino Chiwenga tiri kunzwa mashoko nemahunga ari kutaura kunzi aiwa most of his army bosses right now aiwa macommanders ake they've been fired. Makaona nasanyato right now they are now targeting at VP Constantino Chiwenga. Sandabina mashoko anonzi aiwa akatogwa na VP Constantino Chiwenga last week achiudzwa kuna Owen Ncube pamusoro aiwa kuplota is firing. Not subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mubani kwa mshinzi. Chiwenga was in Gweru last Wednesday to officially hand over the Independence Day flame to Midlands Province, where Ncube, popularly known as Muda, was the host. According to senior government officials and ZANU-PF leaders who were at the event held at Mutapa Community Hall in Mutapa suburb, the VP appeared angry when he told Ncube that he must stop hunting for him. The incident happened while Chiwenga was greeting ministers and senior ZANU-PF officials on arrival at the venue. He was shaking the officials' hands, and when he got to Ncube, he is said to have said, "You are hunting for me. What will happen when the hunter becomes the hunted?" Tomashoko anobudayita kwa panapa amapepa na already the standard vachiti VP Constantino Chiwenga wobudira zvigananda pachena vachiti yes you are trying to hunt me, yes you are plotting to fire me, but what if the hunter becomes the hunted? Mashoko atoona kuti mapower struggles in the ruling party ZANU-PF they are simmering. Atiri kuona kuti zvigananda panguva ino zviri kunyatsa kurostewa and kutostewa. We are seeing VP Constantino Chiwenga is resisting. At the same time tikuona more veterans that are doing the same. At the same time Bunshogezi ari kuuyawo zvekare nemashutdowns ake achiti aiwa the regime must be proved wrong. Nyika dzose dzofanira kuziva kuti ZANU-PF has failed. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi, pinda comment section medu muudze mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.